Scheduled scaling can be useful when you want to scale your application in response to predictable load changes. For example, each week, traffic to your application begins to increase on Friday, remains high on Saturday and Sunday, and begins to decrease on Monday. When you have this kind of predictable load, you can apply scheduled scaling. So, here in auto-scaling groups, we have one instance running, desired capacity of 1, minimum of 1, and maximum of 4. Then, I will go to the Automatic Scaling tab, scroll down to Scheduled Actions, and click on Create Scheduled Action. Let's call this activity Scale Out. So, this scale out activity will be scheduled for Friday when we see an increase in traffic, and to handle this, we'll set the desired capacity to 3, the minimum to 2, the maximum to 5. This means that at any given time, we would like to have 3 EC2 instances running, not allow the auto-scaling group to go below 2 or above 5. The recurrence option down here has predefined values with the option to write a cron. Since we want this to happen every Friday, we will select every week, with the start date and time for the next Friday at 0 o'clock UTC UTC. Note that it automatically generates a cron based on your selections. So, specifying an end time will ensure that no scaling is performed after this time. Then, I click Create. Now, according to our use case, we already know that traffic starts to decrease on Monday. So, let's set up a new scaling action and name it Scale In. Let's set the desired as 2, the minimum to 1, the maximum to 3. This means that at any given time, we would like to have 2 instances running. For high availability, let's not allow the auto-scaling group to go below 1 or above 3. For recurrence, let's select every week with the start time as next Monday at 0 o'clock UTC UTC. Then, create. And now, according to our configuration here, the scale out event occurs every Friday and sets the desired capacity to 3, the minimum capacity to 2, and the maximum capacity to 5. And the scale-in event occurs on Monday, which sets the desired capacity to 2, minimum capacity to 1, and maximum capacity to 3. So, this is how you set up scheduled scaling. This allows you to prepare for increased or decreased workload by launching or removing the necessary instances in advance.